What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over the top 4 ways that you can make money on TikTok as a content creator. So, as always, I want to be super transparent about everything and super quick. So I'm not going to give you much fluff. The very first thing I want to do is show you results from my personal favorite method that I'm going to show you. It'll be the last one. It'll be the number 4. But I'm going to show you results that I have managed to achieve in just a very short time. So let's take a look right here at the computer, and you can see here in the last 30 days, I have personally generated over $11,707, and in the past 365, because I started like 5 or 6 weeks ago, it's about 6 weeks ago I started this program, I have generated $15,000, all from starting this on TikTok. So enough about that. Let's talk about how you can start making money on TikTok as a content creator. So I'm gonna pick up my phone, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways. So the very first way you can start making money as a content creator is going to be as growing and selling an account. So what I mean by growing and selling an account is you can literally grow a content account based off of products. Say you want to do a product account. I'm going to show you one real quick. Let's just click right here. We're in my TikTok account, and I'm going to go to a branded account. It's obviously a person showing products, but the account is unemployable. The brand for the boss. So he's creating his own brand. He has his own apparel company. It's the unemployed, like they do hoodies, they do beanies and stuff like that. So what he is doing is creating a branded product. He is growing this brand right now on TikTok. So ultimately, he can continue to grow the brand. He can make money off of merchandise. So that's one way. He can make the money from the merchandise he is selling. He has a link in his bio, as you can see here, where it says unemployable. There is a link in his bio. So he is making money every time somebody sells it. Well, if he wants to continue, if he wants to grow this business, he can actually sell this Instagram account. And this isn't the only way. He's creating a whole entire brand. You could create accounts based off of motivation, meditation, workout, fitness, cooking, anything you want. You could create an account about. It doesn't even have to be physical products. You could create an account, just post content, grow your following, and as your following grows, eventually you can sell that account and those followers to a potential buyer. And that could be a very lucrative sale. Like you could literally make thousands, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. We're not going to get into numbers because it just depends on the buyer and what your platform is and how many followers you have. But that is the first method. So you can grow and sell an account. You can grow and sell a brand. Same thing. The next method I want to show you is coins. And for you to be eligible for what they call coins is you have to have 1,000 followers. That way you can go live. So let's look at the top right hand corner right here. We'll click the 3 dots. Oh, nope, let's get off this page. Let's go back to my profile. And now we're in my profile, right? Austin Becker. You see I have 100,000 followers. And if I click the top 3 dots right here, if I scroll down to balance, I could click balance, and you'll see the coins balance is $0. So I could choose to purchase coins, or other people can purchase coins. And when somebody goes live, you could gift them coins. So you give coins to your favorite creators and stuff like that. Well, if you look down here in the bottom, it says income. I have generated $16.11 from coins that I have personally received by doing live events and people gifted me coins. I also have a live gifts. I could click live gifts. It'll go over to here and you'll see I have an $8.01 balance, or $8.10 balance in my live gift or in my live gifts. So I've received gifts, which are total diamonds. They also call them diamonds, and what have you. Let's go back to TikTok. So you have coins and gifts. They equate to a small balance. You also, I'm going to throw this in here as well. They have the TikTok Creator Fund, and the Creator Fund is available to you after 10,000 members. So if you click Pro Account, I could click TikTok Creator Fund, and then you will see my balance as of today is $121.01 in my Creator Fund dashboard. So that is available to me today. You see on average, we make $3 to $5 to $8, $5, $3 per day in the Creator Fund. It's not a lot of money, but it does add up. So that is method number 2, is collecting coins or money from the Creator Fund itself. And then number 3 I want to talk about is going to be brand deals. So brand deals would be anything like Like, let's say I post videos with energy drinks. This is NOS Energy, right? So what if they reached out to me and were like, hey, we'll give you, this is a hypothetical situation, but we'll give you $1,000 to post a video with our energy, drinking our energy drink and what have you, or some scenario like that. Or this company, an apparel company, reaches out to me and be like, hey, we see you getting a lot of views on your videos. Would you be willing to partner with us as a brand deal? It will pay you $1,000. We'll give you a hoodie for you to do 3 or 4 or 5 videos with our hoodie on, something like that, and maybe give them a shout out. That is how a brand deal works. And you could also get your own brand deals for, like, say you're a small content creator, you don't have a big following and stuff like that, and people don't reach out to you yet. You could actually go to local businesses or any people you know, maybe small businesses that just want to get a little bit of recognition. Maybe they're willing to pay you $100, $50, or give you free apparel or merchandise for you to do a shout out for them. That is also a way to get started in the brand deals niche or area. Number 4 is going to be my personal favorite and what is responsible for generating the results I showed you at the beginning of this video, and that is affiliate marketing. So look back over here at my profile. You see right here in the bio, I have a link in my bio. The link in my bio is an affiliate link. And for those of you who are new to this channel and don't know what affiliate marketing is, what an affiliate link is, essentially what affiliate marketing and an affiliate link is when you promote somebody else's product in your audience, you get an affiliate URL, a unique website URL. When somebody goes to that URL and makes a purchase on whatever product you recommend, you receive a commission off of that sale. It's a percentage of the sale. So all you have to do is find a product. So let's say you're in the health niche, you partner with a weight loss company for some weight loss supplements, and you have your unique link in your bio, and say you talk about fitness and everything, and you have a whole channel, you have 100,000 followers of fitness, and in your bio you have an affiliate link. As you see here on my channel, I have an affiliate link, and when people go to that affiliate link and they purchase the product that is in that affiliate link, you will receive a commission. So you really don't do anything except create content, and as people migrate to your affiliate link, they end up purchasing the product that's in there. You just get paid a commission based off of the partnership terms that you have. So again, my favorite business model is affiliate marketing. And then on top of that, I do get to make income from the creator fund, from the coins. So eventually maybe I'll get some brand deals as well, but I don't plan on growing and selling my channel just because it's a personal channel. Like, it's literally me, it's not a brand. So that's the only one thing I can't really do on my channel, but everything else happens on the back end of growing the channel. So that's why it's beneficial for you to just start, and then it will monetize in so many ways that you didn't even think it will. So I hope that makes sense. If you liked this video, please subscribe, smash that like button so I can keep creating content for you beautiful people. And as always, thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.